All right, beautiful set of people, welcome back to another edifying tutorial on e-commerce, how you can make money online, and most especially arbitrage. So if you're new here, kindly like the video, share it, and also comment. Okay, so in a very quick one, let's look at how we can fund our Bybit card. So in my previous tutorial, we look at how we can create a verified Bybit account, right? How you can create the account successfully and how you can verify it and start trading, right? So after that, we still now look at how you can create a virtual card with Bybit. So if you haven't watched the video, I talked much more better on how you can create this card. So let's assume you've already gotten this card. That's the why you are looking forward to watch this video on how you can fund the Bybit card, right? One thing about this Bybit card is the fact that you can use this card all around the globe to make purchases both on Spotify, on Google adverts. Maybe you run a Google advert, you run YouTube adverts, you run Spotify, you want to pay for any bills at all. That's one thing I love about this Bybit card. Is widely recognized, right? They even said it here that you can pay on Netflix, Shopify, Prime, ChatGPT, TradeView, and a lot more, right? So that's one benefit about this Bybit card, right? Now, how do you fund this card? That's another added advantages. Looking at they are competitive in the market, like maybe cheaper card. We all know what they use and their method of funding, right? If you want to create a Bybit card, if you want to create a cheaper cash card, you should know that it comes with a certain fee. But these guys created you can create it free of charge. So now let's look at how we can fund it. So I'm just going to click on view my Bybit card here. This is my Bybit card and you can see I have 0.000 here. So if I want to pay now, I can either, if I'm to click on pay with here, I can pay with all these coins. That's one thing I love about these things. I don't have funds here. I would have used my USDT to fund, but I'm going to be using my debit card to fund, which I'm going to be teaching you at the end of this tutorial on how you can use your Naira card to fund as well. So let's go back now. So what we want to do to fund our card and to deposit fund in here is to click on top up. Okay, once you click on top up, you are going to see this option, buy crypto with fiat. So you can either buy with your Naira card or you buy with P2P. Okay, so that's two methods you can use to buy, right? So I'm going to click on, so this is what I will do. Instead of buying my USDT here, I'm just going to come back home here to buy fiat. So I'm going to buy fiat, which is through P2P trading. So I'm going to come to P2P here. So I'm going to buy USDT. Let me acknowledge here. So I'm going to click on buy. So we are going to look for the available. Let me see. Let me input the amount I want to buy. Let's say I want to buy 11,200 worth of USDT. I'm going to click on confirm. So it's going to filter it out and bring the limit. So I think this guy is selling for 1,672. Right, so we can buy through bank transfer. So I'm going to click on this trade. Okay, they said I cannot buy from this guy. So okay, this guy is selling for 1,673, which is very, very expensive, but we don't have any choice than to buy it. So I'm going to click on buy here. So once I click on buy, I'm going to click on all. What I'll do is, okay, let me buy 12,000. Or let me buy 11,200. Okay, so I'm going to receive 6.691 USDT, right? So I'm going to click on buy. So if you are not okay with it, you can always do what? You can always cancel the trade. This video is proudly sponsored by 𝐻𝐼𝐧𝐤 Educational Services. If you have been willing to travel to the US, to the UK, to France and Canada to study maybe educational purposes, or you want to maybe use the medium to relocate, 𝐻𝐼𝐧𝐤 Educational Limited is the right choice for you. What 𝐻𝐼𝐧𝐤 basically does is they help you process admission to any university or any college or any institution in the UK, US, France, but basically right now they are offering admission into the university of different universities in the UK. Maybe you want to go and do your master, or you want to go and do bachelor degrees. This is the right opportunity for you. The benefit of using 𝐸CAL services includes the guidance. They are going to guide you, and also they are also going to be putting you through some things that you really wish to know in terms of what counseling. They are going to be counseling you on the right services you need to do, on how to go about it, and also they are going to be assisting you on your application visa fee, right? Maybe you have issues with your visa, they are going to be assisting you with that. And also another benefit of using 𝐸CAL services is that they offer free consultation. Maybe you want to consult them, you want to ask them questions, you want to ask them about their tuition fee. Is it instrumental payment, which I believe they are also doing instrumental payment, right? So you can pay your school fees instrumentally. And another benefit is that they can help you do what? Secure the they are going to help you secure this admission. All right, once they help you secure it, then you have to, it's not as if you're going to be making a full payment. You're not making a full payment, you're just going to make your part payments. And once your application and the institution give you what, once they give you the admission, then you now complete your tuition fee. Also, they are going to be helping you with accommodations, and they're going to be giving you post-study work permits. They are going to help you process all these things, right? These are things they offer. Maybe you want to school there, you want to go there to school, and you also want to be working at the same time in the UK. They are going to help you process your work permit that will give you access to start working from what? From UK, and you go to school at the same time. Help you with all these services, and they will analyze it for you on how it. They are not charging you for any agency fee or any consultation fee. If you want to consult them, you are free to consult them for free. All right, just tell them when you're messaging them, I'm going to be leaving their contact. They are Nigeria. They have offices here in Nigeria, in the UK, and in the US, right? So you can contact them with the number displaying on your screen. Just tell them it is from Zion Hub Logistics Limited. Wherever you might be watching from, maybe outside Nigeria, Ghana, US, you are eligible to study. So they are not charging you for consultation. You can just go there to make inquiry. Just text them, ask for their processes. How are they? If it actually sounds like what you're interested in. So why don't you just join the winning group to do what? To japa and relocate to what? To UK directly. All right. So you can just contact them today and see how they works. So what I'll do now is to transfer a sum of amount of 11,200 naira, right, to this account, to this seller account. You can see here is verified, and just follow instructions. So I'm going to click on pay now. So it's going to give you an account number here, and you follow the trade. So I'm going to copy this guy account number, which is what? Which is Kuda. So I'm going to transfer 11,200 naira to Kuda. So now I think I've made this transfer. So I'm going to click on payment completed. So I'm going to click on this, then click on confirm. So I transfer 11,200 to this guy. So I'm going to click on confirm. All right. So let's wait for this guy to do what? To okay, let me just click on this guy. Let me turn on this guy. So okay, let me cancel it since I've already made my payment. So let's wait for this guy to release our coin. So within just few minutes now, the money has been dropped to our wallet. You can see the trade has been completed. So I'm just going to click on done. So what we'll do now is just to go back. So the trade has been completed, and if I'm to refresh our page now, you'll see that I should have my balance. Let me see what I have here. You can see here we have 6.60 USDT, right? Which you can see the equivalent under the BTC. So what we'll do now is to come back to our card session. So I'm going to click on more. So once I click on more, scroll down a little bit, click on card, right? Because we wanted to fund our card. So now you can see we have what? We have 6.60 USDT in our balance. So it's very, very straightforward. So you can now use it to pay. You can use it to top up. So if I'm to click on top up now, you will see that we have P2P trading. we have buy with NGN, and we also have deposit. So now this is on our card. The available balance now is on our card. If you want to use it, you can now start to use it to buy anything you wish to buy on any platform. If you want to use it to do subscription, you can now start to use it to do subscription. So